Hey everyone, welcome to Chini Vines. In today's video, we're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Chinese. If you've ever wanted to know how to say your name, where you're from, or what you do in Chinese, you're in the right place. Let's get started.
Basic self-introduction vocabulary. I, me, 我. To be called, 叫. Name, 名字. To come from, 来自. America, 美国. China, 中国. England, 英国. France, 法国. This year, 今年. Years old, 岁. Work or job, 工作. Study, 学习. At or in, 在. Company, 公司. University, 大学. To play basketball, 打篮球. Travel, 旅行. To eat, 吃. Chinese food, 中国菜. To like, 喜欢. Favorite, 最. Interest, 兴趣. Question words and phrases. You, 你. How about, 那. What, 什么. How about you, 你呢. How much or how many, 多少. Where, 哪里. Phrases for self-introductions. My name is 我叫. I am from 我来自. I am years old 我今年岁. I work at 我在工作. I study at 我在学习. I like 我喜欢. My interest is 我的兴趣是. My favorite is 我最喜欢. I am from 我来自. Useful phrases for ending the introduction. Thank you everyone. 谢谢大家. Goodbye. 再见. Additional vocabulary for more complex introductions. Home or family, 家. Hobby, 爱好. Friend, 朋友. Interest and hobbies, 兴趣爱好. Favorite food, 喜欢的食物. Example vocabulary sentences. My name is Li Ming. 我叫李明. 我叫李明. I am from America. 我来自美国. 我来自美国. I am 25 years old. 我今年25岁. 我今年25岁. I work at a company. 我在公司工作。我在公司工作。I like playing basketball. 我喜欢打篮球。我喜欢打篮球。My interest is traveling. 我的兴趣是旅行。我的兴趣是旅行。My favorite food is Chinese food. 我最喜欢吃中国菜。我最喜欢吃中国菜。How about you? 你呢？你呢？ Repeat after me. Exercise. 我叫名字来自美国、中国、英国、法国。今年最工作学习在公司大学打篮球旅行中国菜喜欢最兴趣你呢？什么？你呢？多少？哪里？谢谢大家。家爱好朋友兴趣爱好喜欢的事物我叫我来自我今年岁我在工作我在学习我喜欢我的兴趣是我最喜欢我来自再见